Hello.
This is Arpana.
Sushmita, I'm from Hyderabad.
My name is Anjana. I'm from Bangalore.
My name is Ananya. I recently took up the Yoga Teachers Training course RYT 200 from Bodhi Institute.
I feel extremely delighted to be part of the Bodhi Yoga family. It just not concentrates only on asanas. I didn't know there was so much of science, there's so much of learning behind the very subject of yoga.
I look forward to continue this yoga journey throughout my life.
It has been a wonderful experience, especially the trainers.
With regards to the tutors and the trainers, amazing guidance. I have no words to express how grateful I am.
I would really wanted to give a round of applause to the amazing instructors, the teachers who kind of conducted the course for us.
It has been an amazing journey.
I really enjoyed this particular course. I would love to thank all the trainers.
Thank you, Bodhi.
All thanks to Bodhi and the trainers. You guys are doing a great job. Thank you so much.